Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the blueprint of SSLC Science for the academic year 2020. This year, it's a theme-based question paper. So there is no chapter-wise marks allotment. The marks will be allotted based on the content. Planning and studying is always better. But studying without planning, without knowing what will appear in your examination is of no use. So make your own strategies, plan up and then study. This blueprint will help you in planning. So there are totally 38 questions for 80 marks. You have 8 MCQs, 8 questions, each carrying 1 marks will get you 8 marks. Last year there were 10 MCQs. Now it is reduced to 8 MCQs. Now coming to 1 markers. Again 8 marks, each containing 1 mark will get you 8 marks. These are very simple. You can answer them very easily. Now coming to 2 markers, 8 questions, each carrying 2 marks will get you 16 marks. Now when we compare this to previous year question paper, there were 16 questions, each carrying 2 marks that will get you 32 marks. Now those 16 questions have been reduced to 8 questions. Now this part also you can answer it very easily. 2 marker, a short question from electricity. That will be a diagram, resistors in series or resistors in parallel. Any one might be asked in this too. Another 2 marker from life process. This is also a very short question. Life process, 1 2 marker will be asked. Now going to the trickiest part, 3 marker. 9 questions, each carrying 3 marks will get you 27 marks. Now here you get to score the maximum marks. And this is the trickiest part. So read the question carefully and then answer. 3 marker, one important question from magnetism and matter. They might ask you state Fleming's rule, Fleming's right hand law and left hand law. And they might even ask you the question for electric motor and electric generator. These are the important questions from magnetism and matter. 3 marker, a diagram can be asked from bio. Another 3 marker, a short question, that is a diagram from chemistry from the chapter chemical reactions. Okay. Now coming to the 4 markers, there are 4 questions, each carrying 4 marks will get you 16 marks. Here 1 question is very sure from the chapter how do organisms reproduce. This can be a diagram or a theory question, but mostly a diagram is expected. Another 4 mark question will be from electricity again. Here in this 4 marker, they might ask you the numericals on resistivity, find out the resistivity or finding the power. So please prepare for the numericals for 4 markers. Now coming to the last part, that is 5 marker. 1 question will be asked. I'm sure that you guys are all familiar with this question. So please read the question properly, answer it, elaborate it and answer it. You will for sure get 2 marks out of 5. So this is the blueprint for the science. You guys are really brave. Though the conditions are not fine, though the situations are not in our favor, you guys are writing exam. I feel this 2020 batch will be remembered throughout. You are great. So all the best for all of you guys.